Hello viewers, welcome to my channel English with Uma Nagarajan. I'm going to delight you with the poem I read elsewhere. So let us see, it describes the parts of speech. And I welcome you to the grammar parade where every word has a job to do. Let's explore the magical world of parts of speech. Now look at the first one. In a sentence, marching neat, each word plays a role so sweet. So every word has a specific role to play. Let's meet them one by one today in this grammar-filled display. So this is a display, a presentation of grammar. We'll meet all the parts of speech one by one. The noun comes first, a naming star. So we know that noun is a naming word. Name, place, animal, thing. So a person, place or thing by far. Dog, animal, mountain, kindness, school, abstract noun, kindness, place, school. It names them all, that's the rule. So that's the rule for a noun. It is a naming word. So I hope you would have understood this. Then the pronoun steps in, short and sly. So pronouns are short. Saying he, she, they or I. He, she, they, I, all these are pronouns. It stands for nouns we've said before. So it represents the nouns mentioned earlier. So we don't repeat and bore. So the same noun, Ramesh, Ram, all these are not repeated. Instead, we use the pronoun he or him or his according to the context. The verb leaps in with energy bright. So verb is always filled with energy. It shows what's done or gives us might. So it gives us strength too. Run is be form of verb. Dance, be form of verb be. Think or sing. A verb can do almost anything. So it tells you the state or the actions performed. Adjectives color the world with flair. So they give a color to the world. Describing nouns with style and care. So they describe nouns. That's the definition. Happy, color blue, tall or kind. They paint the pictures in your mind. So you have an understanding of what is being represented from the adjectives. A sad man, a happy child and so on. Adverbs come to tweak and twist. They tell us how or when, don't miss. So how, adverb of manner, when, adverb of time, quickly, often, very, late. They help the verbs to articulate. So they add meaning to the verb. They describe the verb. Prepositions show relation on the desk or at the station. So on, at. Under, through or by the gate. Under, through, by. They tell the where, the time, the state. So where is it? The cat is under the table. The time. So by 10 o'clock or whatever it is. The state, by the gate. Conjunctions join the words like glue. So they are glues fixing words together. And, but, or. These are conjunctions to name a few examples. They link up thoughts both near and far. So sentences shine like a star. So they add connection. They add sentences together and make them continue. Interjections shout with zest. Wow, oops, hey. They are the best. So they show the emotions. So they are the best. With feeling strong and punctuation loud. You got an exclamatory mark. You got a capital letter. So strong feeling. Wow, what a lovely flower. What a lovely dress. Oops, I've hurt my toe. Hey, listen to me. Come here. So all these are filled with emotion, feelings. They stand out proud among the crowd. So when you shout, hey, immediately the person turns and finds out who's calling him or her. So when you write or when you speak, let these parts of speech all peak. So let them come to the peak with their functions. Together, they create the art of language flowing from the heart. So language flows from your heart and together they add meaning to your sentences and they give light to your emotions. So language is better when words work together. It is brighter when all the words are formed together. Now that you know the parts of speech, you use it with a voice to teach or explain or to use it in your own sentences. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more word wonders. See you soon in another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please watch all my videos and shorts till the end so that you'll understand everything better. So see you soon with more elements of grammar. Bye for now.